To speed up the check-in process, AMAG offers the AMAG Print Utility software. This software will bypass the preview window when printing from the browsers to speed up the printing of badges from Symmetry Guest. The software is available on the Symmetry Guest dashboards page, which is available for system administrators. There's a link under the information section where it says download and install this utility. Utility, once downloaded, just be a matter of following the prompts. And when you first launch the print utility, it can be accessed by looking at the icons in the lower right corner. The thing you want to check is the configuration. Default configuration will need to be updated for your particular URL. In this case, the URL will be hosted support symmetry.net. So then it'll just be a matter of updating the URL in the section. And the other piece of information that you need is this web token. This can be accessed under Guest if you go under Configuration, Access Control Integrations, and there should be a web token available here. So if you copy this value and insert it under the web token and just save there. When you first do the configuration, you may need to restart for the system to process it correctly. But once the software is installed and configured correctly, if you're under reception and you're going to print a badge, the system should print without being prompted with the web browser preview window.